campers, Jeff at Bonner Sports and RV. Here's another reduced 2022 Wildwood. This time we're talking about the 29 V-Bud, and this thing's got features galore. So it's a bunk model. I think it could also double as a couples unit as well. So let me show you a couple things. You got the big Versa lounge system here. This piece can flip around for a U-shaped dinette, or you've got the L-shaped lounge, or you have one huge sleeping area. Nice big kitchen, big 12-volt refrigerator, big pantry over here. Check out this bunk room. So right now you're seeing that it has the queen-size bed down. You've got L-shaped mattresses up here. This folds up out of the way. That becomes storage or a couch. But the reason I was thinking couples unit is because, let's say for some reason you need to sleep separated. That happens in life. You've got a person who can sleep up front in the master bedroom, but also have to be comfortable back here. So this could really double for anything. So as we spin around, check out how they have the TV on the angle. That's a great feature. Electric fireplace. We've got a nice big bedroom. You're going to want to see this bathroom, and that's why I think it's great for couples as well. But man, this has got so many possibilities on it. We've actually got a closet here in the bedroom. And so there's a lot of great little features going on here. Plenty of walk around space, nice big bedroom, and you know, just a lot going on with this camper. So just one more time, pricing on this camper is reduced down to $32,963. This was originally $37,000 and change. No extra fees here. You're getting a lot of bang for your buck on this one. Outdoor kitchen. So can't wait to see you in here getting started for the summer with this one.